to Living with Lisa. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about how I achieved these Little Mermaid inspired red faux locs. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned and keep watching. Okay you guys, so let's get down to the nitty gritty. I got this hair off of Amazon from Sam's Braid Store for $34, and I will attach that in the description box below. The color of the hair is 350 and the length of the hair is 24 inches. So what I really love about these locks is that when you unwrap it and you wrap it back and you are like hiding your hair, it literally looks the same. So you know when you try to do that with Marley hair or like a kinkier lock, it tends to like mat together and get frizzy, but this hair does not do that, and that's why I love it so much. Shout out to my sister for putting me on this hair. This is probably the best faux loc hair that I've ever used. So you guys, when you get it offline, you have the option to choose how many packages of hair you want. I wanted to be on the safe side. I like my hair to be a little bit more full, so I chose to get 7 packs of hair. So in the package comes a crochet needle, some hair jewels, which I did not use, I already had my own, and 2 clips, and the 7 packs of hair. So in each pack there's about 18 locks. That's what I counted. And I had 3 packs of hair left, so I used about 4 packs of hair to do the style. I actually have 3 packs of hair left, so if I want to redo my edges, if I want to just like refreshen the style and make it look more nice, I have the hair to do so. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is show you the step-by-step process of how I did these locks. And please feel free to leave any questions down below in the comment section, and I will definitely try to answer all of you guys. So to start the style off, I used regular plaited braids. I counted 68 in my head, and I used a rat tail comb, and I used edge control to get them nice and neat at the root. Now each lock has a little loop that is at the top of the lock, and this is how you attach it to your hair. You stick the crochet needle at the top of your braid, you attach the lock, and you pull that hair through. Now take the end of the lock and slide it through the loop, and this is when you create your knot. And try to get that knot as tight as you can. So here comes the hard part. So in order to hide the braid, what you do is you hold the braid with one of your hands, and you are simultaneously unwrapping that lock and wrapping it around your braid at the same time. It's a really confusing concept, but once you get the hang of it, it goes really fast. So me learning this method, you guys, cut down the duration from 8 hours down to 5 hours. That includes the braiding, the attaching the lock, and hiding the lock. So this method is a game changer for me. And this is the finished look, you guys. What I love about this hair is that it doesn't look too bulky in the scalp. So I could do my side part, I could do my middle part, all that good stuff. And you guys, these locks are so long, but they are so lightweight, so you can do a ton of styles with them. And I'm gonna be real, you guys, after I did these locks, I really felt like I was Ariel. So, especially after I put on some clothes and did my makeup, y'all couldn't tell me nothing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you like what you see, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time on Living with Lisa. Bye!